Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can disable computer sounds to be not recorded in your video recordings and meetings in the Loom application. So let us get started. So guys, launch the Loom screen recording or meeting recording app on your device. I'm going to launch it on my desktop computer, and here in these screen recording controls or net panel, what you want to do is navigate to the microphone settings here, the mic selector, click into it. Of course, you will need to enable the microphone, of course, here from that list. So make sure that you use the one that is attached to a computer so that you can use it for your screen recording. And here below, guys, you will see the computer sounds or system audio, which is usually disabled. So if you'd like to enable it, switch it on here. Or if you'd like to not have them recorded in your Loom recordings, make sure that it stays disabled here. And after that, you may start your recording by clicking into this button now without the computer sounds here recorded. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.